Each warehouse needs to be stocked with products. In this tutorial, we will focus on managing item product stock within a warehouse. Quantified product stock will be covered in another tutorial. So, let's explore how the stock for each branch is determined. As you can see, similar to the product section, there are filtering options available to easily search for a product. Every product item includes 3 input fields. The first input field represents the quantity, which can either be manually assigned or automatically calculated based on other inputs. The second input field is the box count, which indicates the number of boxes for a specific product in each warehouse. The last input field is the box size, which indicates the size of each box. This value is multiplied by the box count to determine the overall quantity. Now, by clicking on the increase or decrease buttons, you can adjust the stock levels of the products. Another option available is bulk assignment or unassignment. As you can see, by clicking on each product, you can select multiple products. This allows you to assign your stocks and use the Assign or Unassign buttons to perform bulk stock assignments efficiently. Okay, let's assign more stock to multiple branches to explore all the capabilities of managing product stock. As you can see, when you assign a stock, it gets added to the transfer list by clicking on the Transfer button. This feature will be covered in detail in the Transfer section. Now it's time to delve deeper into the visualization hub within the branch section. Cartify offers two types of data analysis tools: an interactive map and a dynamic diagram. First, let's explore the interactive map. As you can see, all branches and their corresponding warehouses are pinned on the map. The color of each branch or warehouse indicates the status of their stock levels. Additionally, the color of the circles represents the overall status of all branches in those specific locations. Furthermore, all branches and warehouses are searchable, allowing you to easily find them by their names or addresses. The other is dynamic diagram. In this diagrams, the stock levels of all warehouses are displayed, allowing for easy analysis of warehouse and branch capacities. Additionally, the diagrams include filtering options, making it simple to select and focus on specific data using the filtering form.